Vivek is engrossed in listening to a lecture and suddenly his mind took a detour. Thoughts of how delicious the lunch was, and the excitement of tonight's IPL match started running through his head. As a result, he lost out on the lecture's content and was unable to respond when the teacher asked a question. Scenario 2. Neha was working diligently to wrap up a monthly report. However, her mind is simultaneously consumed by the excitement of her upcoming trip to Malaysia and anxiety about the last-minute packing. In both scenarios, the common point is a lack of focus and attention at the given moment. Vivek might miss out on the enjoyment of the IPL match owing to writing an assignment as a reprimand, and Neha could get a call from her manager highlighting an error in the report and the aftermath it has created, thus running her holiday mood. In both scenarios, one might indulge in self-criticism and a feeling of dissatisfaction may arise. This negative self-perception can trigger over-analysis, heightened vigilance, nervousness, or even excessive work to compensate for perceived shortcomings. Moreover, it can pave the way for a range of mental health issues, including stress, anxiety, and depression symptoms. However, fear not. Engaging in mindfulness exercises can serve as a powerful antidote, redirecting your attention away from such draining thinking patterns and allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the world around you. Hello, my name is Dr. Prerna Kohli. I am a clinical psychologist and the founder of MindTribe. At MindTribe, we provide affordable counseling services, workshops, support groups, and communities, along with an e-learning platform working towards improving mental health. Mindfulness meditation is a mental training practice that teaches you to slow down your racing thoughts, let go of negativity, and calm both your mind and body. It merges the power of meditation with the art of mindfulness, which means being completely present in the current moment. It's about acknowledging and accepting your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations without any judgment, while embracing the world with an open and curious mindset. This practice is widely recognized for its ability to alleviate stress, enhance mental clarity, and nurture a profound sense of overall well-being. To practice mindful meditation, you may follow below steps. Step 1. Find a quiet and comfortable spot where you can immerse yourself in the practice of mindfulness meditation without any distractions. Whether it's a cozy corner in your home or a peaceful spot in nature, choose a place that resonates with you. Sit cross-legged on a soft mat or opt for a chair that supports your back, head, and neck. Remember, the goal is to find a posture that allows you to be awake, focused, and, most importantly, comfortable. Step 2. Now that you've found your comfort zone, it's time to decide how long you want to dedicate to your meditation practice. If you're new to meditation, start with a shorter duration, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Gradually extend your sessions to 10 or 15 minutes until you feel comfortable meditating for a blissful 30 minutes. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your meditation practice. Take it at your own pace and let it grow organically. Step 3. As you settle into your sacred space, gently close your eyes, or soften your gaze. By doing so, you reduce external distractions, enhance your focus, and open the doors to inner awareness. It's like stepping into a world where you're free from the visual noise of the outside world, allowing you to turn your attention inward and embrace the present moment. Step 4. Now, let's dive into the heart of mindfulness meditation, your breath. Direct your attention to the sensation of air flowing in and out of your body as you breathe. Feel the rise and fall of your abdomen or the gentle airflow passing through your nostrils. When your mind starts to wander, Simply use your breath as an anchor to gently guide your focus back to the present moment. Step 5. As you continue your mindfulness meditation practice, you may encounter various thoughts, emotions, or physical sensations arising in your consciousness. Take a moment to acknowledge them, remain calm, and let your breath serve as a centering force. There's no need to judge or criticize what arises. Instead, approach your experiences with acceptance and curiosity. Be gentle and compassionate with yourself, releasing any self-criticism or expectations that may surface. Step 6. After a few minutes of anchoring your attention on your breath, you can broaden your awareness to include other sensations in your body, sounds in your environment, or even your thoughts and emotions. The key is to observe them. Remember, practicing mindfulness meditation is an ongoing journey that requires dedication. It's natural for your mind to wander from time to time, but the key is to gently guide it back to the present moment once you notice. By maintaining a consistent practice, you can cultivate a heightened sense of awareness that permeates into your daily life, enabling you to fully engage in activities, savor life's joys as they unfold, and develop a greater capacity to navigate challenging situations with grace. Regularly integrating mindfulness meditation into your life offers a wealth of benefits. It serves as a powerful tool to reduce stress and anxiety, sharpen focus and concentration, deepen self-awareness and nurture emotional well-being. So, embrace the practice, commit to it, and unlock the transformative potential that mindfulness meditation has to offer. This is Prerna Kohli. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, you might come and re-listen as and when you want to.